Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expressions. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: 80, 78, 56 and 98. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rules. These rules apply in different regions but both are same. And if you use any of them, so you can get the answer correct. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis in your expression, so first of all, you have to solve that part first. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or square root or any number which has the power. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence. So what you will do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out operation is coming first, division or multiplication. Similarly, for addition, we have the same. We can go left to right in our expression and both have similar precedence. So we can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now let's move towards to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we will solve first the bracket. First of all, we will solve this bracket. And other parts, we will write as it is. Divided by 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 and 3 multiplied by 2. That is multiply 3 to the 6. And now we will give the reference 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Now move forward. We will go for step number 2. Step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent or order of any number. So now we do not have any number which has the power. So now we will go for step number 3, which is division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have this division. So we will solve 36 divided by 2, which is equals to 18. And multiply by 3 plus 6, 4 multiplied by 6. 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. Now, move forward. Again, we have to go left to right in our expression and find out again division and multiplication. So now we have this multiplication, which is this one. So we will solve this part. Now we will multiply 18 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 54. So 18 multiplied by 3 is 54 plus 4 multiplied by 6. And here we will multiply 18 multiplied by 3 equals to 54. Now again we have to go left to right and find out multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication, which is 54 plus and 4 multiplied by 6 equals to 24. And here we will give the reference 4 multiplied by 6 equals to 24. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add them and get the correct answer. So we will get, when we will get the answer, so the answer of the given expression is 78. So if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So that's it for today. The answer of the given expression is 78. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.